My name is Nedal Aljarrah. I work in YASREF company. It's a joint venture company between Saudi Aramco and Sinopec. I work as a performance advisor at the Maintenance Excellence Group. Actually, our goal towards fall is regarding the digitalization to show people our digitalization progress, and as well as the partnership with our business partners regarding the AI and workflow transitions, and as well as the workflow agentic progressions. Actually, we are transitioning from predictive into prospective maintenance. That we are looking for and into that, not how what is the most important thing changed on the parts itself or the assets itself, but actually it is how we will change the life cycle of these sets and equipments itself. That's actually an amazing question. Actually, we are not cutting cost. Actually, we are optimizing the value, and we are focusing on shedding the lights for the things that where we are spending the money and where it most matter for reliability actually. Beyond the big three, which is safety, quality, and schedule, turnaround assets, we focus on the performance of the assets itself. That's another amazing question, which leads us to being the greenest refinery. You need to have to work on two aspects. If you decrease the energy producing, for sure you will have a quality production. It's a workforce that it's tech augmented. Honestly, we are focusing more into raising our professionals and engineers into being most professional, not only in mechanics by itself, but by data interpretations as well. Actually, we are preparing our team by upscaling them into the level that even with we are having collaborations with internal institute and even domestical and international institutes for their educational, and to make sure that we are raising the bar of their curves of changing. That we are not only a refinery, we are a center of excellence and digitalization and data center as well. As I mentioned at the beginning, at the first answering my questions, that we are adding, as I told you, progression of the digitalization and AI augmented, and we are sharing the insightful of our workforce and capabilities and capacity at the beginning of, even when they shared in the presentation and in the speech for our visionary, it was very clear, crystal clear. By that, this is how we add the value to the Congress. Actually, from all areas, the B2B meetings, the VIP meetings, and even for the networking as well itself, it has added a lot of beneficiary, and as I mentioned, it has a lot of aspects and a lot of insights that we gain. We had a lot of business partners. We met a lot of business partners. We met a lot of business opportunities as well, and they were very supportful, and they are around everywhere.